Hi everybody, it's Deborah from workathomeonlineforfree.com. Thanks so much for tuning in and watching the video today. Today's video is called How to Start a Blog Business from Home. We are on my website, workathomeonlineforfree.com, which is where I teach people how to do what I do. I'm a full-time affiliate marketer. I have been since 2015. We're going to use this article called How to Start a Blog Business from Home for today's video. I'm going to give you a link to this article in the description box. I'm also going to give you a link to everything we talk about in today's video in the description box. If this video helps you, I would appreciate it if you would give it a like. And if you like this sort of content and you'd like to hear more about this particular topic, go ahead and subscribe. I would love to have you on board. Thanks again so much for watching the video. In order to understand how to start a blog business from home, you have to first learn how to create a blog, then learn how to make money with it. Thousands of people start a blog, but they don't know how to get traffic to it, and therefore they never make any money with it. So if you want to learn how to start a business with a blog, it's imperative that you get the training so that you'll be successful. How to start a business with a blog. To make money with a blog, you have to understand how to make money online to begin with. This can be most easily explained by describing the 4 steps that it takes. The 4 steps to making money online are: step 1 is to choose a niche or a topic. Step 2 is to create your blog. Step 3 is to drive traffic to your blog. And step 4 is to earn commissions and revenue. How to start a blog business from home. The best way I know how to tell you how to start your own business from home by blogging is to tell you how I learned. I learned from a company called Wealthy Affiliate. They teach people in step-by-step video trainings how to make money online. They teach in a nutshell the 4 steps that I just described. Step 1, they teach you how to choose your niche and your topic for your blog, something that you will enjoy and something that is profitable. Number 2, they'll teach you how to create the blog with step-by-step, easy-to-follow instructions. They taught me how to make this blog that we're on right now for our video. Step 3, they teach you how to drive traffic to your blog. In step 4, they teach you how to earn revenue and commissions. In other words, they show you how to make money with your blog. That's the thing I think that confuses most people when they're thinking about blogging as a business. They understand what a blog is, but they don't understand how blogs actually make money. Again, I'm going to give you a link to go ahead and start the free training at Wealthy Affiliate. This is, in fact, the very same training that I took back in 2015. I have been a full-time affiliate marketer ever since. I'm also going to give you a link in the description box to go ahead and subscribe to my email list if you would like to receive regular emails from workathomeonlineforfree.com all about making money online. This is where Wealthy Affiliate comes in. Wealthy Affiliate teaches you how to make money with your blog using affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is where you sign up to be an affiliate or a rep for different products and services, and you promote them on your blog in the form of articles and blog posts or videos if you like the YouTube idea. And whenever someone uses your affiliate link to purchase the product or service you're promoting, you get a commission. That's where the money comes from. That's how you create a blog business. There are many other ways to monetize a blog as well. You don't have to be an affiliate. You don't have to do affiliate marketing. You'll learn all the ways you can monetize your blog in the training at Wealthy Affiliate, and you will get to choose what is best for you. Can you start your own blogging business? You might be having a hard time picturing this. Most people wonder what they could possibly sell or what they could possibly write blog posts about. Here are a few examples just to get your brain started in the right direction. Here's an example. Say that you like gardening. First, do you know anything about it? Of course you do, if it's something that you like. You could write blog posts about what you like about it, how you started. You could tell stories about your experiences with gardening. The money could come from you recommending products and services related to gardening. In my mind, that list is absolutely endless. Everything from tools to seeds and plants to books and guides, gardening gloves, garden treatment products. Do you see? The list of product links you could have within your blog posts is endless. All things you link to where you get a commission if they buy it. Another example, let's say you love the Los Angeles Lakers. Again, do you know anything about it? Of course you do. You could write blog posts about what you like about basketball, why you like the Lakers. You could write endless articles about the history of the team. You could write articles about each and every player. You could write about your experiences going to games, or maybe how your dad got you hooked when you were a kid. The blog post ideas are endless, and as I've said, the list of products you could recommend are endless. T-shirts, hats, mugs, blankets, lunchboxes, slippers, pajamas, everything Lakers. You get the idea, right? Those are just a couple of examples of what your blog could look like. Right now, and I mean this, pause the video for a minute and right now grab a pen and paper and write down 5 or 10 things that you're interested in. Do it now. Just start mindlessly jotting down anything that comes to mind when you think things I like. I bet you within that list you've just quickly made, you have a topic or a niche that you could make a blog business out of. There's no risk involved in trying. Wealthy Affiliate has an absolutely free starter membership where you can sign up with your email. You don't need a credit card and go through 10 beginner classes. They're free classes. Go through those first, get a handle on this so you understand what it is, and second, pick a topic and actually create a blog to make money. Yes, you'll get that in the free training. After that, if you like what you're doing and you think you'd like to continue, you can upgrade to their premium membership, which is not expensive, but you are under no obligation. The starter membership is totally free and your first blog is included for free along with free hosting for that blog. I'm going to give you a link in the description box for my full review of Wealthy Affiliate. You'll be able to see everything that is included in that free starter membership, and you'll also be able to see everything that is included with their premium membership if you choose to go forward with this and you actually decide that, yeah, you want to have a blog business. This is how I did it. Like I said, this is how I learned to start a blog business from home. I signed up for Wealthy Affiliates free starter membership back in 2015. I did the beginner training. I then upgraded to their premium membership, and I've been a premium member ever since. I have several websites, and I'm now a full-time affiliate marketer. Join me. Go ahead and give it a try and feel free to comment below with any questions. I'm glad to help. So in the description box of today's video, I'm going to give you a link to this article we just used for the video. I'm going to give you a link to the free training at Wealthy Affiliate. I'm also going to give you a link to go ahead and sign up for my email subscriber list if you would like to. And if you liked this video, please give it a like. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe. And I'll be happy to see you in a Wealthy Affiliate. If you decide to go ahead and start this, I'm going to be one of the first people to welcome you. And I'll tell you then, and I'll tell you now, you go ahead and reach out to me whenever you have questions or you need help. And I think you're going to like this. It's very fun. Again, I hope I have helped. My name is Deborah. My website is workathomeonlineforfree.com. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.